The Avantek ppc-154t is a fully computer-embedded touchscreen used in a municipal-powered monitoring system. This system had been installed in the desert and was severely heat damaged and completely dead. We rebuilt the power supply, motherboard, and replaced the hard drive after backing up the contents. As shown in the video, the whole system fully booted up. This repair was more than just a straight hardware repair. If the hard drive had been completely destroyed, the amount of effort to recreate it would have been expensive and costly. Now our customer has a backup copy, and we keep an additional copy here at ERD just in case later our customer loses theirs.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.